Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going straight into settings to change emoji, no extra setup. Open General Management and tap Samsung Keyboard or select Gboard if you installed it. Once there, choose Keyboard Settings to reveal emoji options. You do this because emoji shape and picker live inside the Keyboard app, not general phone appearance. Make sure the Keyboard app is up to date. Updates often add new emojis. Once done, enable the emoji switch or emoji style option, so the keyboard will present alternate emoji sets when you type. Now you'll choose exactly how emojis look and behave. Inside Emoji Preferences, pick the style, Samsung's own set, system emojis, or a third-party pack if available. You want the visual set that matches your apps. Then configure the input. Enable the emoji key on the keyboard or set long press on the comma/enter key to open emoji panel. This matters because some apps read system emoji while others fall back to keyboard-rendered versions, so adjusting both style and access ensures consistent results. Finish by testing the new emoji in several apps. You want to confirm both look and input flow. If everything checks out, back up keyboard settings or enable Samsung Cloud Sync so you don't lose the configuration. If emojis still look wrong, update the keyboard app and the messaging apps, then reboot the phone. Many display problems clear after a restart. If problems persist, switch to system emoji or reinstall the keyboard. This resolves conflicts between app-rendered and keyboard-rendered emoji in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.